Have you ever wondered how small actions can lead to significant wealth accumulation? Or how a tiny acorn can grow into a massive oak tree? It's all down to one powerful principle: compounding. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. As it rolls, it picks up more and more snow, growing larger with every turn. This is the essence of compounding, a concept that applies to more than just snowballs and oak trees. It's a fundamental principle in finance that can turn modest savings into a sizable nest egg. Compounding is the process where the value of an investment increases because the earnings on an investment, both capital gains and interest, earn interest as time goes on. This might sound complicated, but think of it as earning interest on interest. To illustrate, consider a simple scenario. Suppose you invest $100 and it grows by 10% each year. After the first year, you'll have $110.